In the heart of every bustling kitchen, where culinary dreams are born and recipes come to life, there lies a humble hero. The JLFTF 24-grid double-layer egg storage box egg food container organized drawer eggs crisper. Kitchen products refrigerator eggs boxes. This isn't just a container. It's a meticulously engineered sanctuary for your most delicate ingredients. Imagine a fortress designed to protect the very essence of a breakfast feast. It stands as a testament to intelligent design. A dual-layered marvel that organizes your eggs with the precision of a master architect. It's a silent guardian, a crisp keeper, and a space saver all in one. Furthermore, this innovative crisper drawer transforms your refrigerator from a chaotic jumble into a tableau of perfect order. Consequently, the days of cracked shells and precarious stacks are over, replaced by a sense of calm and control. Moreover, the JLFTF 24-grid double-layer egg storage box egg food container organized drawer eggs crisper. Kitchen products refrigerator eggs boxes is a symphony of practicality and elegance. The double-layered structure is like a tiered theater, with each egg having its own private stage, ensuring they remain unblemished and ready for their moment in the spotlight. Because of its thoughtful design, the drawer slides in and out with a graceful ease, a fluid motion that makes access effortless. Likewise, its transparent walls offer a window into your breakfast future, allowing you to see your stock at a glance, so you never have to guess. Indeed, this container is a small but mighty revolution in kitchen organization, bringing a sense of purpose and beauty to the mundane task of storing food. Therefore, it is not merely a box, but a declaration of a more organized, more peaceful kitchen life. Ultimately, the JLFTF 24-grid double-layer egg storage box egg food container organized drawer eggs crisper. Kitchen products refrigerator eggs boxes is a poetic solution to a common problem. It's a culinary cradle, a miniature nursery where eggs are safely tucked away, waiting for their grand debut in an omelette, a cake, or a simple fried egg. Similarly, its robust construction promises durability, a steadfast companion through countless breakfasts, brunches, and baking projects. Despite its functional nature, it carries a certain metaphorical weight. It represents the desire for order in a world of chaos. The small steps we take to make our daily lives run a little more smoothly. Thus, this product is a beacon of efficiency, a subtle reminder that even the simplest tools can profoundly improve our routines and bring a touch of grace to the heart of the home. Pros: saves fridge space, holds 24 eggs, protects eggs from breaking, keeps eggs organized, has a double-layer design. Eggs are easy to access, drawer-style access, clear view of contents. Prevents odors, durable material. Cons: not suitable for large eggs, drawer can be hard to pull, can only hold 24 eggs. Features: grid-style compartments, drawer-style access, egg storage box, food container, kitchen organizer, refrigerator storage, crisper function. JLFTF brand. The JLFTF 24-grid double-layer egg storage box is a convenient kitchen and refrigerator organizer. It features a drawer-style design for easy access to eggs and a double-layer grid system that can hold up to 24 eggs, keeping them safe and organized. This food container also acts as a crisper, helping to keep eggs fresh. It's a practical product for efficient storage in any kitchen. The JLFTF 24-grid double-layer egg storage box is a great way to save space and keep eggs organized in your refrigerator. Its double-layer, drawer-style design holds up to 24 eggs and protects them from breaking, with a clear view of the contents. The durable container also prevents odors, and it's easy to access your eggs. Although the drawer can sometimes be hard to pull, It's important to note that this container is not suitable for large eggs and has a fixed capacity of 24.